Today we will going to study an important chapter of class 12, that is matrix. The term matrix is introduced by English mathematician James Sylvester, and it is developed by Arthur Cayley. The plural form of matrix is called matrices. The plural form of matrix is matrices. Okay, and the definition of matrix, it is an arrangement of numbers. It is an arrangement of numbers, a rectangular arrangements of mn numbers or functions in m rows and n columns enclosed in capital bracket or small bracket is called a matrix of order m by n. Matrix is not a value, it is a representation of numbers. It is usually denoted by capital alphabets A, B, C, and their elements are denoted by small alphabets A, I, J, B, I, J, C, I, J, etc., where I represents the rows and J represents the column. Okay, I represents rows and J columns. Each member of the matrix is called an element of the matrix. A matrix does not have a value or any special meaning. Matrix does not have any special meaning or a value. It represents only some arrangements of number. Okay. Order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n, read as m by n. Here an example, here a matrix A, and which has elements -1, -5, 2, 0, 6, 9. Here we can see here there are 2 rows and 3 columns. That's why we represent it by 2 by 3. Here 2 represents number of rows and 3 represents number of column. And we have to choose here elements, that means A21, that means elements values of matrix A, 2th rows and first column, 2th rows, second rows and first column. Second rows matlab that is, it is first row, it is second row, that means second row and first column. First column is first column, second row and first column. The value of second row and first column is 0. Value of first row and third column, first row and third column, that is 2. Okay. Similarly, A23, value of A23 is 9 in this matrix. That means second row and third column. Second row, third column is 9. If a matrix has 6 elements, here 2 by order of matrix is 2 by 3, and total number of elements in this matrix is 2 into 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can also be represented as 3. These numbers are represented in 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, 1 rows and 6 columns, 6 rows and 1 columns. So now question is, if a matrix has 6 elements, so what are the possible orders it can have? We know that if a matrix is of order m by n, it has mn elements, that means m into n elements. So all ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 6 are 1 6, 2 3, 3 2 and 6 1. That means if a matrix has 6 elements, then the possible orders are 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 and 6 by 1. Okay. Now third question is, construct a matrix whose order is 3 by 2 and elements are given by Aij equals to I plus 2j. I plus 2j. Here we have to write the elements of the matrix A11 or A22 या A13 in this manner, I plus 2j. Value of the elements are aij equals to I plus 2j. Here we have to choose, we have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 2. That means 3 rows in this matrix should be 3 rows and 2 columns. That means the value of I represent rows, and here number of rows is 3. That means the value of I is 1, 2 and 3. And from the question, value of j is 1 and 2 only. Now we have to find the matrix of order 3 by 2. That means in this matrix there are 3 rows and 2 columns. That now we have to find A11. That means first row, first column. Now we have to put this value of I is 1 here and j is 1. Now put it here. A11. That means I value 1 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. That means A11, value of A11 is 3. Similarly, value of A12 means value of I is 1, value of j is 2. Put it, I value 1 plus 2 into value of j 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. In this manner, we can find the matrix A equals to A11. That means 1 plus 2 into 1, 3. A12. First row, second column. 1 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now, second row, A2 and column is first. That means I value is 2 and j value is 1. 2 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Now A22, second row, second column. 2 plus 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. A31, that means value of I is 3 and value of j is 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Now A32, third row, second column. I3, 2 into 2, j 2, value of j is 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3, 7. A32 is 7. Now the given matrix has one row, second row, third row. Total row is 3 and column is 2. That means order of matrix is 3 by 2, which satisfies the condition Aij equals to I plus 2j. Okay. Now we will study in the next class types of matrices.